Hello, friends. The world of cryptocurrencies offers immense opportunities for earning money, but many people have questions. How to trade, how to understand spot trading, what to click, and how to work with futures. Today, I will explain in detail and show you how to trade on the OKX cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, you will learn how to buy cryptocurrency on the spot market, all the key points and steps needed for a successful transaction, and we will also explore futures, how to use them to earn even during market downturns. To make getting started even easier, the description below this video includes a registration link with a promo code that provides exciting bonuses to kick off your trading journey. Ready? Let's get started. Why OKX? OKX is one of the largest and most reliable cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It offers a simple, user-friendly interface, low fees, and high liquidity. Additionally, it provides a generous bonus program. Join OKX using our link below the video and receive bonuses of up to 6,000 USDT. OKX boasts more than 670 market pairs, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies to meet the diverse preferences of investors. The exchange is known for its low trading fees and the absence of conversion or deposit fees, making it a cost-effective choice for traders. Through the Earn program, OKX offers opportunities for passive income, enhancing the value of its offerings to users. The platform is praised for its simple registration process with no identity verification required, an easy-to-navigate interface, and a dedicated mobile app. A demo account is also available for beginners. OKX's own blockchain allows users to dive into decentralized finance, offering a comprehensive cryptocurrency experience. OKX supports multiple payment methods and charges no deposit fees, although funding is primarily based on cryptocurrency unless a third party is used. Want to stay up to date with the latest crypto news, receive free trading signals, and connect with like-minded individuals? Subscribe to our Telegram channel and join our trading chat. There, you can exchange experiences, discuss strategies, and discover new opportunities. Links are already in the description. Visit now and become part of our crypto community. Spot or futures? Spot and futures trading in the cryptocurrency market are two entirely different approaches to working with assets. Spot trading is the simplest and most straightforward method. Here, you purchase cryptocurrency and become its actual owner. For instance, if you buy Bitcoin, it's yours, you can store it in your wallet, wait for the price to rise, and then sell it at a profit. This is an ideal option for those who want to invest for the long term or simply grow their assets without unnecessary complexities. Futures trading, on the other hand, is a game for more experienced traders. Here, you don't purchase the cryptocurrency itself, but enter into a contract based on its price. This approach allows you to earn money both on price increases and decreases. Additionally, there's leverage, which can significantly multiply your profits. However, it's crucial to approach it with caution. Futures trading comes with risks and the possibility of losing everything if the strategy is incorrect. Spot trading is all about ownership and reliability, while futures trading revolves around speculation and quick profits. Spot trading is the simplest and most popular type of trading on the OKX exchange. It involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies at the current market rate with instant transaction execution. This approach offers ease and straightforwardness, making it an excellent choice for beginners and those who prefer a more reliable and secure trading method. To start trading on the spot market at OKX, you need to, in the top menu, select the Trade tab, Spot. I'll be buying BTC, but you can purchase any available cryptocurrency the same way. Use the search bar to find BTC/USDT and select the corresponding trading pair. Once you've chosen the trading pair, the trading interface will open. On the right side of the screen, locate the window for placing orders. Types of orders. Market order. Buying BTC at the current market price. Specify the amount in USDT you want to spend on BTC and click Buy BTC. Limit order. Buying BTC at a price you set. Specify your desired price for 1 BTC and the amount you want to purchase. Click Buy BTC, and the order will be executed when the market reaches your set price. Once the order is completed, Bitcoin will be displayed in your spot balance. Share in the comments which coins you buy on the spot market and why you chose them. We'd love to learn about your strategies and thoughts. Let's exchange experiences and help each other succeed in the world of cryptocurrency. Trading on the futures market of the OKX cryptocurrency exchange offers the opportunity to profit from both the rise and fall of cryptocurrency prices. This is achieved through contracts instead of purchasing the actual coins. To trade futures on OKX, you need to navigate to the Trade tab, Futures. Select the desired contract, such as BTC. When you enter the futures market, the first thing that stands out is the choice of leverage. Leverage allows you to trade amounts exceeding your deposit. For example, with 10x leverage, your $100 capital turns into $1,000 for trading. However, it's essential to remember, the higher the leverage, the greater the risk. If the price moves against you, you could lose your entire deposit faster than you can react. That's why beginners should start with low leverage, such as 3 or 5x, to minimize risks while learning the ropes of futures trading. Next, let's dive into the margin. Margin is a kind of collateral you provide to open a futures position. On the OKX cryptocurrency exchange, you have two ways to manage this collateral: isolated margin and cross margin. These modes determine how your funds will be utilized and the level of risk you're willing to take. Isolated margin. With isolated margin, you allocate a specific amount of funds to a particular position. If the market moves against you, you only risk that allocated amount. This is an excellent choice for beginners or those who want to clearly limit their risks. Cross margin uses all your available capital as a common reserve to cover losses on any position. This mode is appealing to experienced traders who are confident in their decisions. There is less chance of liquidation here because your entire balance supports the position. However, there is a downside. If the market situation changes drastically, you may lose much more than you anticipated. Next, let's move on to orders. We'll discuss two main types of orders. A market order is used for an immediate transaction at the current price. It's convenient when you need to enter the market quickly. A limit order allows you to set the price at which you want to buy or sell a contract. This option is suitable for those who prefer more precise control. When deciding which direction to trade, long, expecting an increase, or short, anticipating a decrease, it's important to consider the current market conditions. If you're confident the price will rise, open a long position. If you expect it to fall, opt for a short position. Futures trading is like a high-speed race. It's crucial to assess risks, make quick decisions, and always take advantage of the tools that OKX provides for managing your positions. It may feel challenging at first, but with practice, you'll learn how to leverage this market to your benefit. That's it, friends. Now you know how to trade on the OKX exchange, from buying coins on the spot market to working with futures. I hope this video helped you understand the process and became a useful step in your trading journey. If you want more useful content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. There are plenty of exciting analyses and guides ahead. Also, share in the comments, which market do you trade on, spot or futures? What draws you to this type of trading? Tell us about your experience. It'll be interesting to discuss. Thank you for watching. Wishing you successful trades, and see you in the next videos.